Have you ever wondered why companies like Google, Amazon, Netflix, and Facebook can make data-driven decisions so quickly? The answer simple is a data visualization. So every day organization generates millions of records. Looking at raw numbers is very difficult, but converting them into charts, graphs, dashboards and interactive visuals makes information easy to understand. So imagine seeing you thousand number of rows of the sales data. So it looks very confusing. So when the same data is displayed as a chart, or you can instantly identify the best selling product, sales trend, customer behavior, business opportunities. So this is the power of the data visualization. So in this course, we will learn how to transform raw data into meaningful visual stories that help people make smarter decisions. So hello students, welcome to the complete course on data visualization, specially designed according to the latest Gujarat Technological University syllabus for BCA Semester 5 students. I am your instructor, Dr. Shanti Verma, and throughout this course, we will learn both the theoretical concepts and the practical applications of data visualization. Whether you are interested in a data science, business analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, digital marketing, or research, data visualization is one of the most important skills you can learn. So by the end of this course, you will be able to analyze data, create effective visualization, tell compelling stories using data, and avoid common visualization mistakes. So, what is data visualization? So, data visualization is the art and science of representing information visually so that people can understand complex data quickly and effectively. So, in the today's digital world, data is being generated everywhere. And every time when we browse a website, make any online purchase, use a mobile application, post on social media or perform a digital transaction, data is created. So organization mostly collect a big amount of information every single day, and however collecting data alone is not enough. So the real value comes from understanding that data and transforming it into a meaningful insights. So this is where the data visualization plays a crucial role. So various companies like Google, Amazon, Netflix, many other rely on heavily on the visual analytics and monitor their performance. So data visualization used in a various sectors. Healthcare organization use visualization to track disease patterns. Bank uses dashboard to identify fraud transactions. Researchers use visual representation to discover trends and relationships hidden inside the larger data set. Even government also use the data visualization to communicate important information to citizens. So the ability to convert raw data into a meaningful visual stories has become one of the most valuable skill in the modern data-driven world. So the data visualization is important and it's help you analyze data effectively, present finding professionally, improve decision making, build data analytics projects, prepare for careers in data science and business intelligence. So according to this syllabus, after completing the course, you will be able to understand the visualization principles, learn why visualization is important and how effective visual design works, visualize structured and the unstructured data set, use storytelling techniques, and in that you learn how data can be transformed into impactful stories. You can also identify the misleading visualization, and able to recognize visualization mistakes to avoid presenting inaccurate information. So these outcomes will help you to become a responsible and effective data communicator. So, in the data visualization course roadmap, you are going to learn exactly how this process works. So, we will start by understanding the fundamental of data visualization and the principles that make a visualization effective. You will learn how some charts communicate information clearly while others create a confusions. So we will discuss the importance of choosing the right chart for the right type of data and explore the design principles that help create impactful visualization. So as we move further into the course, we will study a wide variety of the visualization techniques. You will learn various types of charts like bar chart, line chart, scatter plots, histogram, heat maps, geographical maps, network designs, and many other visualization methods used by professionals around the world. So by creating chart is only one part of this journey. Before visualization data, we must understand the data itself. So this is why we will also learn how to collect data. So there are various ways to collect the data and transform data and prepare data for the analysis. So you will discover how to handle the basic values, incorrect data and different data formats before converting information into a visual insight. So another exciting section of this course focuses on the unstructured data. So unlike the traditional tables and the spreadsheets, unstructured data includes the text document, messages, conversation, reviews, comments, and social media data that you found in various platforms, social media platforms. So you can learn how the text data can be analyzed and visualized using the visualization techniques, such as the word clouds, word trees, uh, data text analytics, visualization, and the conversion networks. So one of the most important skill for any analyst is the ability to communicate finding stat analysis, Olympic medal analysis, student performance analysis, business reporting dashboards, and many more. So these projects will help you apply concepts to the real world databases. We can see that data is the new oil, but visualization is the engine that converts data into insights. So whether your goal is to become a data scientist, data analyst, or researcher, software developer, or simply someone who wants to communicate information more effectively, the skills you learn in this course will be valuable throughout your career. So I am excited to guide you throughout this journey. In the next lecture, we will begin with introduction to data visualization and why it matters. So if you're excited to learn how to transform data into a powerful visual stories, stay tuned for complete course. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture. So let's begin our journey into the world of data visualization. Thank you.